to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious walnut atole. Creamy, delicious, and perfect for this cold weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are the ingredients to make a delicious and creamy walnut atole. Let me show you the ingredients. Of course, we need the atole mix, flavor of the walnut cornstarch. And here I have 1 cup of walnuts, 1 stick of cinnamon, 1 cup of water, concentrate of walnut, flavor, color, and aroma, 1 piloncillo, 1 liter of regular milk, 1 condensed milk, 1 evaporated milk, and this is everything you need to enjoy my favorite walnut atole. So let's get started. In 2 cups of regular water, I am going to add 1 stick of cinnamon and 1 piloncillo cone. I'm taking the casing out. I am going to take it to the stove in medium-low heat until the piloncillo has dissolved. In 1 cup of water, I am going to add the mixture of the cornstarch, the flavor of the walnut. I am going to mix it very well, making sure that all the cornstarch really dissolves and incorporates into the water. Look at this. This is going to take just a couple minutes. Make sure that you mix it very well. Once everything is nice and mixed, we're going to put it aside and we are ready to start adding the milks into our blender cup. I have 1 evaporated milk directly into the blender cup, 1 can of condensed milk. The condensed milk is going to give it such a delicious and amazing flavor. Let me tell you, make this amazing walnut atole. 1 cup of walnut, 1 teaspoon of walnut extract, color and flavor, and blend for a couple minutes. You really want it nice and blended. Look at this. The piloncillo, it's almost getting dissolved. The water has changed color and it's absorbing the flavor of the cinnamon stick. Well, here I'm just going to incorporate. After about 5 minutes, I am going to start by removing the cinnamon stick. The piloncillo has dissolved completely. 1 liter of regular milk and the mixture of the blender. Yes, I'm going to incorporate it really good. And now I am ready to add 1 cup of the mixture here. I am going to add here the cornstarch with the flavor of the walnut. And this is the best part. Do not leave the stove. Do not stop mixing. You're going to be mixing very well all the way to the bottom so it doesn't get stuck on the bottom or it doesn't burn from the bottom. So you're going to continue mixing with the wooden spoon. The wooden spoon is going to help you so that nothing sticks to the bottom of your pan. After a couple minutes, when it starts boiling, you're going to start noticing that it's going to start getting nice and thick. And you decide how thick you want your atole. The more you leave it, cooking, the more it's going to get nice and thick. As you could see, it's already boiling from the outer portion and I'm just mixing away. But remember, the more it boils, the more thick your atole will come out. And this atole is perfect for the holidays, perfect for Christmas, perfect when you
are craving something creamy, something hot, something delicious, well, I recommend this amazing walnut atole. And if you love walnuts like I do, you're going to fall in love with this atole. Well, look at this. It's already nice and hot, and you could already see the texture of the atole. Let me show you from close up. It's really nice and thick, and that's exactly how you want it. If you want it a little more thick, just leave it cooking. Remember, always mixing from the bottom to the top. Let me show you. When your spoon, you are able to run your finger across and the line stays just like that, your atole is ready for you to enjoy. Look at this. I really love this atole. And here I am ready to add my atole to my cup and enjoy it, because it's really cold outside and I am getting sick with the cold, and I am really going to enjoy this amazing walnut atole. Like, subscribe, and share if you liked and loved this amazing recipe, and make it. Enjoy it with your beautiful family. I'm sure everybody's going to fall in love with this walnut atole. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy.
With this amazing walnut atole, my favorite. Nice and hot. The temperature outside is nice and cold, but I am going to warm up with this amazing walnut atole. Excuse me. So delicious. So amazing. Make it. Enjoy it with your beautiful family. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying my amazing walnut atole. Merry Christmas. Enjoy your beautiful family. Bye-bye.